22 indictments. Let that sink in. The judge even says it's the most he's ever seen in 20 years. And trust me, when the bench is saying you've set records, that is not the kind of trophy you want on your shelf.
Here comes the prosecutor, striking like a hammer. Notice the confidence, the evidence in hand, and the absolute certainty in every step. But confidence can be a double-edged sword. What if the defense finds a hole? Would this case flip upside down in seconds? Stay tuned. This gets explosive.
Historically, ever. Which is, I guess, yeah, for some notoriety, but okay. On this one, who's on this one?
That's Sonny.
Which case carries with it the most punishment?
Judge, there's been a couple of times where we've gone through this, and one of these cases is mislabeled.
Okay.
He has a failure to register as a sex offender. One of the theft state jails is actually a registration offense. And that and the assault public servants carry the highest punishment.
Listen carefully to the judge's tone. Sharp, firm, and completely unforgiving. This is not casual questioning, it's surgical. Every word is designed to corner the defendant. If you were sitting in that chair, would you crack under pressure or stay calm and fight back against the storm?
Over here.
Yes, sir.
God bless you.
I want to speak to you, sir, because you fired him like 5 times going to the field.
It's good to see you.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Here's the legal kicker. Failing to register as a sex offender is already a serious felony. But paired with assaulting a public servant, that jumps the stakes to third-degree felonies. Translation, we're not talking fines and probation anymore. This is prison time on the table.
We've got 22 cases here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we got to take them.
So, yes, sir. Go my bad. Go ahead, Judge. My bad. Go ahead. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we got to be deliberate here.
Yes, sir.
That's a lot. And like I've said before, this is the most cases any defendant has ever had before me since I've been here for almost 20 years.
Yes, sir.
Which is not the kind of prize you want to win, you know?
Right.
So you've got, it's hard enough to fix one. Now you've got 22, and those need to be deliberate, responsibly dealt with.
Yes.
This is where the courtroom tension begins. Notice how the judge's eyes lock onto the defendant. It's not just formality, it's pressure. The audience can already sense something is about to explode. What do you think? Will the defense survive this grilling, or are we witnessing the beginning of the end?
Sir.
All right. You've got a bunch of thefts here, and then evading arrest, another theft.
I never debated with him, sir. Go my bad.
This is what we're charged with.
Yes, sir. Yes,
this
sir.
is in the trial.
Yes, sir.
It's in the debate. Okay. Then two assaults of public servants. I guess those are going to be the more serious.
Then I got beat. I'm the one got beat up. Sir, I had 2 black guys in the factory.
You know what? We're gonna put you in timeout like we
yes, sir.
we had to when we were kindergarten.
Yes, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
Don't do that.
Yes, I'm sorry. You mind?
Judge, let me correct the one that is mislabeled. It's cause number 41332. That is not a state jail.
Whoa, did you catch that?
The defense resists measured words, steady voice. But listen closely. Behind that calm tone is fear. One slip, one wrong phrase, and the entire case collapses. Could this be the turning point, or is it already too late? Sometimes silence speaks louder than words, and here, silence is deafening.
Instead of denying, he flips the script and claims he was the one beaten. Classic defendant move. Turn defense into offense. But here's the problem. Judges want facts, not outbursts. And that timeout comment, that's the judicial version of sit down before you talk yourself into deeper trouble.
Theft.
What is it?
Failure to register.
As what?
Sex offender.
Okay, the most serious cases, I guess, are assaults public servants.
Along with
Is that
the
the-
registration offense.
And
Those are all
what's the degree punishment for those?
third.
They're third degrees. Okay, so you got, oh boy,
That's Miss Bob.
Miss Bob, my God, God bless her.
Feel the spirit.
Yeah.
Doing something. Yeah, that's Miss. I'll add some things to the.
Did you, was she doing that? Hey, Henry, was she doing that earlier?
No, sir.
No. Wow. And she's got to run out of gas soon. You just lose your voice.
Hey, and I got the sort officer. I got him. He was chatting. I got him suspended for 30 days for him not feeding me. March 2022. I got the grievance number and everything. I'm trying to give it to him. I'm trying to give it to him so he can pull the grievance.
Wait, last year?
Yes, sir, 2022. And then
that's 2 years ago.
Yes, and then March. Then June the 6th. I come in from rent. He took off a commissary myself. So I went to the front in the day room. I said, please call rank, sir. He ain't call rank.
Now, this is where things get messy. He's painting a picture of brutality, broken jaw, black eyes, untreated injuries. But here's the catch. The grand jury already indicted him, which means the system heard evidence and still decided, yeah, this is going to trial. So, question for you. Do you buy a story?
Imagine being in that courtroom, watching the clash unfold. Every gasp, every whisper, every glance carries weight. Legal battles aren't just about law, they're about human drama. If you were on the jury, what would your gut say right now? Guilty beyond doubt, or still a shadow of reasonable doubt?
Or does it sound like courtroom theatrics?
He picked me up, hit me out. The moment they hit me over 100 times in the face. Him and Biggs. Lieutenant Ford had to come pull the ball.
What happened? Did they send you to the hospital?
No, sir. I had 2 black eyes that fractured jaw, though. I had 2 black eyes.
Fractured jaw?
Yes, sir. My jaw was fractured.
Did it like heal itself over time?
Yes, sir. Yes. It's not. If I know if I open my mouth over 30 seconds, while I can't get pop out of place. Nigga talk about I ain't even saw nobody. I beat his arm because he hit me in the eye first.
Well, here's the deal: is that the grand jury indicted you.
Yes, sir.
And they heard some evidence.
Yes, sir.
On the other side of the coin, are you guilty or not guilty? Not guilty,
right,
because of the presumption of innocence.
Right.
Okay.
And there it is, the bombshell statement. The courtroom freezes, the judge leans forward, and the defendant's expression says it all. This is the kind of moment that changes everything. But will it stick, or will it crumble under cross-examination? Don't blink, this trial just turned into a battlefield.
You got that going for you.
Yes, sir. A criminal episode.
But let me look at these assaults here, what we're looking at. Because they seem to be the most serious. What, Henry, where, are you still living on 15th?
Yes, sir. I got some codes on here, some legal work. It's clean. Okay. Thank you, my brother. Let's see.
Oh, you got your notes?
Yes.
All right, I was wondering, who wants any chances?
Go check that out. I got, Mr. Combat, that's what I call Mr. Combat. And I got cases, my log numbers on there. I got dumped on by the officer.
It says you bit an officer on the arm.
Yeah, he hit me in the eye. He hit me. I was handcuffed, sir. He hit me now until my leg on the fence. I jumped up when the yank go up off the ground.
And
I was sitting down.
The other one here is you kicked the officer in the legs and the groin.
No, that's a lie.
That's gotta sting.
That's a lie, sir. That's a lie. I never kicked him. That's a lie. He trying to cover that Jones. He said I kicked. I never kicked him. They hit me over in the cell over 100 times. I had 2 black eyes and a fractured jaw. And I told mom and dad to call you to see if I turned the fast, showing you the picture that Lieutenant Wolf posted, took a picture of it and sent to a turn the fast, and turn the fast part, sent the picture to you.
Why you always lying? Oh my God, stop lying.
And that go by.
Okay.
By the rules.
Here's what how long have you been in jail now?
21 months this month, sir.
21 months.
I got cancer and everything, sir.
Yeah.
I got cancer. My dad fight prospect. My dad had many strokes. Never been locked up. He had many strokes, and my dad fight prospect cancer. So if I come back, you can.
How are they treating you on the prostate cancer? What are they giving you?
No, my dad fight prospect cancer. I'm telling you,
it's your dad.
If I come back for you, let me go home today, sir. If I come back for you, give me 25 life. Now sign up right now. I agree. I'll take 25 life. I'll come back for you.
What a showdown. Law, power, and raw emotion colliding under one roof. This is why courtroom battles feel like live theater. If you're hooked by this drama, make sure to subscribe, like, and share, because the next hearing promises even more twists. You don't want to miss what's coming.
It's not the, man, you can't be making deals with me. You gotta go through the
I'm not
process.
going back. I'm telling you, I got my life. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna take advantage of that Joe Biden grant and go to school.
So, how do we want to deal with Henry so that he can move on with his life one day?
Judge,
He's been found competent, I'm pretty sure, Judge.
that's a while back. But Judge, I did.
Did you hear that? He literally tells the judge, I'll take life in prison right now. That's not bargaining. That's desperation. In legal terms, it shows a total collapse in strategy. In human terms, it's like watching someone fold before the cards are even dealt.
Give Mr. Green the offer of the 5 years TDCJ on to solve public services.
Well, how much does he?
But he's saying that he won't.
How much does he have credit for?
He did tell me he would take time served. Did he tell me he would take time served?
You take time, sir. Yes, sir. Time. I'm not guilty.
406 days. How long is finished?
What was the
He
offer?
did tell me he would take time served on all
What
these
one?
cases.
What was the offer?
Oh, I'm sorry, Judge.
Yeah, nobody told me.
I'm sorry. The offer in this case that I gave to him was on the death cases, probation 2/5 plus restitution to be determined in the probation.
Where are you gonna, if you were released, where are you gonna work so that you can pay some of this loss back?
My brother, president of the Port Authority, sir. My brother, president, and he been working this since like 9-5. My brother, President Benjamin Green. You could bump pay my other brother.
How much would he pay you?
I make $20-some an hour, and plus I got a 7 on the way. I had a 7 part of the rest. Look at it, I got 2 in my head. You see that right there?
The prosecution regains ground, countering with emotional appeal. Jurors lean in, hearts tugged by words carefully chosen. Logic fights emotion to forces clashing in real time. The big question, will cold facts triumph, or will human sympathy tip the scales? Remember, trials are won in hearts as much as minds.
Back in here, sir.
Oh, yeah. Did Mr. Kimler do that?
I got
to you?
tumors in my head, my leg, and my chest, sir. Oh, Jesus Christ. I need to get by. I went to Galveston when I got out last time to the emergency room. I went back, they told me if I with an appointment, and they probably got me biopsy so I could find what kind of cancer I have. So I could
And
fight.
how did you get hurt?
Cancer? I had to fall. But my
You
lawyer,
fell
yes,
while
sir.
you were at work?
No, sir, at the restaurant, my lawyer took me for $1 million. And that been that March 2021, 17. March
So,
17.
where did you fall?
At a restaurant in Port Arthur.
So what did you slip on? Did you slip on something?
It was the water, the floor was wet and it was greasy. I slipped and fell. I tried to grab a trash can, I slipped and fell. I fell on my back.
I'm suing y'all.
In my head every time. Pardon?
Oh, my neck, my back, my neck and my back.
Pardon something.
So what's the offer that y'all?
I'm sorry, Judge.
Yeah, let's get back to that. See, practically, what was it?
Judge, it's the issue is that we've offered TDC time on some of his higher charges. However, there would be a consecutive probation where he would be put on probation after he.
Look carefully, the jury's expressions reveal the real battle. Some nod, others frown. Jurors are human, and lawyers know it. Every glance, every sigh becomes evidence of persuasion. But ask yourself, would you be swayed by emotion or evidence? Comment your verdict, because this jury's decision could go either way.
Almost,
Quite close.
he's almost fulfilled that, and then we could get him. I don't know how. You may have to spend a little more time, but that's not for us to decide. But it sounds like you're eligible probably toward parole. Then the other agreement that they would put you on probation for a period of time so that you can get the money to pay back for restitution.
I want 150,000. But we can settle out of court right now for 20. Man, just give me $10 and I won't say nothing. $2.50 in the jawbreaker. $1 is an envelope.
Working or whatever it is you're going to be able to get them. And on cases like that, once people pay the restitution, I terminate the probation.
Yes, sir.
Once we get the restitution, there's no reason to keep you on probation.
Closing arguments, the final act. Both sides unleash their strongest weapons. It's not just about law, now, it's about legacy. Who painted the most convincing story? Who left out? This is where silence weighs heavier than words. Get ready, because the next sound we hear could be the gavel.
On these assault on police officers, so he gets paroled in a quarter of his time, right? On 5 years, a quarter of a time.
He's eligible.
He's
eligible. His good time is flat time equal 25%. That's just eligible.
And he's been 22 months.
He
was probably already.
See, he'd probably
He'd
be,
already old.
you need to think about that. You'd probably be eligible for release on those, then put you on probation, get you out.
I'm not
And
guilty, sir.
once you pay that, well, that's important.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
guilty.
you'd have to admit that.
Yeah, I'm not
You
guilty.
can't do it.
They,
All right.
they beat me up, and then I got he retaliated on me. That's a felony. On I was
I
retaliating
don't
on
see
him,
that.
It's a felony retaliating on me. I got the grievance number right here. Look.
No, you don't. I don't have that. That's not filed against you.
Listen, I got the grievance number right here. I got John suspended. This is the
Hey,
grievance number.
well,
I
hold
tried
on.
to get him to pull the grievance.